Sí.
Fuera.
Amor. ¡No! Amor. Venga, no, vente para acá ya.
¿Por qué?
Porque ya está venciendo la ventana.
Ya no. And I'm still looking for a perfect snake. What the is this? Oh my god. Get the snake, get the snake. Get it. Yes!
Please don't hurt me, please don't hurt me.
What? What? No. What?
High five.
¡Ah, papi!
I'm gonna punch your head in. Look at my dog. Hachi, not feeling so tough now, are you, dude? Where were you to save him? And you?
Oh, oh god. Oh.
Oh. Magnificent.
Oh, the guy is peeking out.
Kush, hey. Hey. No barking. No barking. Hey. Sit. Sit. Cushy. Jesus. Cushy. Shh. Quiet.
If anyone was wondering. Oh, there you
Pela nuca, não pelo rabo.
Bubbles weren't moving. Oh my god! Holy sh!
Oh my god!
Walk. Run? Yeah, run. Oh, he did come at you! God. Whoa!
Jesus Christ almighty!
Player, can you please stop chewing my wall? I know you want to. Okay, I know you want to, but buddy, you put a hole in it.
Hey, hey.
Muerto. Están detrás del jamón.
Dale ahí, dale. Dale.
Quítate que no me la muela las dos que son.
Hello. This is one of those kill it with fire moments. We'll just close him back up. Whoa! Oh, bro.
He just came in.
Oh my
He's
God.
washing his hands with the soap. He's washing his hands with the soap. He's using the soap to wash his hands.
I think it went down your shirt. You don't feel it?
Really? You don't see a spider?
Oh, it's under your collar. No. Like right there, right there. Oh, it's on your head. Oh my God.
Remember that. Don't ever come this lane. Go somewhere else. Please. Okay? Remember that. Okay. Goodbye. Ô, chết mẹ ơi, vô lại rồi.
Ay, Dios mío. Salgan, salgan. Get out! Get out of the house! Get.
It's gonna go there.
I don't care as long as I'm in here. Ouch!
You are so cute. Oh, don't drop it, buddy.
Right at us, oh my. He's
It's coming for this fish, dude. I'm gonna catch a killer whale right now. Wow. Uh-oh. No. Hell. Oh.
Pero si le gusta la raza a uno y saca la cría.
Uy, sí, en la lengua tiene.
Pero tú que cortarla. ¿Cómo vas a cortarla? Tú la cortas y sacas el aire. Porque...
Pretty beautiful, isn't it?
Is it a dark bird?
Hi, darling.
Oh my gosh!
He got your hair! He got your hair!
Little guy.
Oh my god, that's so traumatic.
Oh my, he's going through the whole entire thing. He's going through. Oh!
Oh
my.
Bro, let me go. Oh my.
on there, bro. You get...
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Me!
Oh my gosh.
That's just gross.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. He's gonna scratch my clit. He's gonna scratch my clit. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god.
No, ¿cómo ven? ¿Me quieren? That's me.
A ver.
Ay, joder.
¡La llama! ¡Otra la llama!
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw.
Oh no, they're shut in there? No! Oh, honeys. That's not a toy!
Oh, don't, he'll take it. Get it. Get the paddle. It's a beaver. Não, que ele vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano. Ó.
Aí ele volta.
Vai, Fusca, vai.
Bright, it stinks. Get it off of me. No. No. I said no. Skylar!
Skylar can't breathe.
Man, it stinks.
Big catfish.
Woohoo!
It's my biggest catfish.
What?
It's gotta be. Getting him off the bottom was a little bit tough.
Yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
Let's see, yep. That's a big catfish.
Not a catfish.
Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
my God.
Oh my god.
This is James from the Tulsa Swarm Hotline at Shadow Mountain Honey Company. We're at Walgreens at 51st and Lewis. And we got a bee swarm on a car. Check that out.
Ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну привет, ну дорогой. Чё ты, как дела? Как?
Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, he's gonna go off. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, he's
That's not funny though.
Ya salió, cuidado. Cheese, dang it.
You better not take my backpack. You gonna eat the bowl?
Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te lo quitas, hombre. Porque ahí se te va a coger todo.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Big old tortoise.
Ow, that's my finger. Hey, you can't steal the plate, dude.
That's good fun.
He's too tired. This is your fault. I blame Tyler.
Damn snake.
Right on top.
That's not a python. Where's his head at?
I don't know. I can't see his head. That's not a python.
Tem que filmar ele andando com a faca.
Tá filmando já.
Ei, esse aí é o caranguejo do sítio de Niri, ó. Repare seu filho da pele mansa. A gente foi matar ele, ele tomou a faca e tá ameaçando todo mundo.
Most of the time they get along if they've grown up together.
He usually have his fingernails
Usually.
cut.
But they have to be the same size.
These two will never mate.
No.
Never. Never.
Oh!
Well, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes.
What does that mean?
That means I'm dominant. I'm better. I'm better than you, and I'm dominant, and you better not come near me.
That's a challenge.
Oh my gosh, that was scary.